Need a fresh start in selling travel? We are not a big box host travel agency. We are a connected boutique-style community of travel entrepreneurs. Here, you'll find quality, teamwork, expertise, and prosperity. When you join Boutique Travel Services, you don't become a digit on a spreadsheet. You become part of our family. Our dedicated management team will help nurture your existing success or guide you on your journey to get there. We provide you with the tools that you need to be top of your travel niche, including a dedicated business coach, support and training, competitive commission, private supplier booking access, exclusive group, net and wholesale fares, expert marketing assistance, qualified leads, networking group of travel professionals, the most advanced booking technologies, including a group reservation software that we developed. We want to help you take your travel business to a higher level. We want you to succeed. Contact us today to set up a confidential one-on-one meeting to learn more. Start your journey today.